These birds are shearwaters. They're ocean birds. They spend a lot of time at sea finding food. Every year, they fly thousands of kilometers. In spring and summer, these birds fly to the islands in East Asia to lay eggs. Katsufumi Sato is a National Geographic explorer. He and his team are studying these birds. This is a baby chick. The team records the birds on the island. The scientists are looking for an adult bird. Birds lay eggs in a hole in the ground. The scientists are putting a small data recorder on the bird's leg. These recorders collect information such as wind speed and surface current. With this information, scientists can make better weather predictions.